The Bird in the Tree. Once upon a time there was a park, and in that park lived a bird.
Tweet, tweet, I'm a bird. I live in the park. Tweet, tweet.
One day, as the bird was sitting in its tree, along came a fox.
Why, hello there, bird in your tree.
Hello there, Mr. Fox.
You're looking mighty tasty today, bird.
No, Mr. Fox, you can't eat me because I'm up in my tree.
Oh, we'll see how long that protects you. And so the fox went into his pocket and pulled out a balloon. He began inflating it and inflating it, and eventually he hit the balloon and went all the way up.
Oh no, he's coming for me. Whatever shall I do? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh.
And the fox came and claimed the tree for himself. And as the fox was glorying over his new domain, he was pleased and happy with himself until along came a hunter. Bam 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 ba bam 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 bam.